breaking, what the Supreme Court is about to do with Trump's travel ban will have heads spinning. President Trump's repeated attempts to make America safe again are headed to the Supreme Court of the United States. And we can expect a decision quickly. A couple of lower federal courts have blocked Mr. Trump's attempts to keep us safe from terrorists, even using the rationale, in part, that he said something about limiting Muslim entry, back during the election. Unfair. President Trump is pleading with the SCOTUS to help him keep America safe. And he's asking it to do so on an emergency basis. If the High Court decides the emergency petition in Trump's favor, he would be allowed to implement his travel ban, even while litigation on the ban continues. Wouldn't that be fantastic, patriots? I mean, that's why America voted him in as POTUS, right? It's a very dangerous world out there, in very large part because of terrorists. And who are the liberals trying to kid? The terrorists come from highly Muslim countries. The terrorists' religious beliefs are what they say is the reason they kill and maim innocent lives. Yes, not all Muslims are terrorists. We get that. But, the converse is true, most terrorists are Muslims. And we have to do something to make sure the terrorists cannot gain entry to American soil. Hell, even Bill Maher has said similar. I am so glad we have a president who does not give up. He is tenacious as a pit bull, and holds onto his promises with the same power. If you support him with his travel ban, please share this everywhere. Look which Democrat is running in 2020, Trump is going to love destroying them. Former Vice President Joe Biden launched a political action committee this week, a first sign that Obama's sidekick might run for president in 2020. The Political Action Committee, called American Possibilities PAC, will initially fundraise for Democrats in midterm elections, but could also be used to set the stage for Biden's own presidential campaign. Although not mentioning President Trump, who he has criticized repeatedly, on the PAC's website, he did take an indirect swipe at the president, writing, "That's why the negativity, the pettiness, the small-mindedness of our politics today drives me crazy. It's not who we are." Biden is sounding pretty negative and petty himself, if you ask me. Biden ran for president twice before, in 1988 and 2008, failing to secure a primary win both times. He opted not to run in 2016 but has often said that he regrets that decision. He is older than President Trump and would be a 77-year-old president-elect if he wins the race in 2020. You can tell the Democrats are getting pretty desperate for a win when the best they can come up with is just another old Obama hanger-on.